Hey guys, it's Poochie. I got some stuff from Chris at Daily Refinement. I bought it on Whatnot. Let's see what we got. Okay, let's see what we have. Bob's is going to help me here. Let's see what we have. Now, we paid $69 plus 15 shipping, so $84 altogether for this. And we are tax exempt on Whatnot, which is awesome. So, L'Agency, I believe. Jeans. I think these are the jeans that he said are MSRP of like $200. They're pants. Ooh, they're kind of sexy. Okay. So we have that. We're going to go through and we're going to calculate what everything is worth. We paid $84 with postage. American Eagle jeans. So we're going to go through and we're going to calculate it out once we're done figuring out what we have. So what are these?
These are
Scissor jeans, okay. Cute. Those look like kids' jeans, maybe?
These
youth
are
jeans.
American rag.
American rag jeans. The cool little stripe on the side, okay.
Old Navy.
Old Navy jeans. Meh. Meh. Land's End jeans. So like I said, we're going to go through and we're going to figure out how much we're going to make from these. We're going to pull comps and see how much we're going to make. Another Old Navy pair.
J-brand.
J-brand jeans, okay.
Old Navy.
Old Navy brand. Oh, kind of pink.
They're pink.
Kind of Pepto pink a little bit. Okay, what else we got?
Wallflower.
Wallflower jeans. Okay.
Michael Kors.
Michael Kors jeans, all right. I'm liking those better than the Old Navy ones, just saying. Loft, all right. Banana Republic, okay. So like I said, guys, with shipping, we only paid $84 for all of these.
I don't know the brand.
We don't know the brand. There has to be a brand.
Shein
jeans, okay.
These are Calvin Klein.
Oh, Calvin's, okay.
And
last pair of jeans is?
Level 99.
Level 99, okay. Okay, guys, so what we're going to do now is we're going to go in and we're going to pull comps of what all these sell for on eBay and how much we're expecting to make from them and see if Chris gave us a good deal. We'll find out. So right around $214 in sales value, but I think we're going to do a little bit better than that because some of those were like $1.97 auctions and $4 auctions and stuff. So I think we're going to bring in about $250. And if we take off like 35%, we're going to be sitting at around $100 profit on the items that we got from Chris. So not bad. It's a wholesale lot. We're going to bring home probably 100 or more net profit, which is great. So thanks, Chris. Appreciate it. Remember, buy low, sell high, subscribe.